Army Party who are singing praises for Bibab. We have some breaking inputs coming in. Shivani and other reporters, please stay on with us. We have a reaction, in fact, coming in from Punjab Minister Harpal Singh Cheema, who says the case is under investigation, but he thinks Arvind Kejriwal's PA Bibhav is a good human being. He meets everyone with love and arranges our meeting with Kejriwal whenever we are around, whenever we message him for the same. I think there is some conspiracy behind this. The investigation is ongoing, but Bibhav ji is a good person. So a clean sheet there coming in already. Listen in.
देखिए, मामला अभी मैं समझता हूँ इनिशियली जांच का है, जांच के बाद ही कमेंट कर पाएंगे, पर लेकिन मैं समझता हूँ हमारे जो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के पीए हैं बिभव जी बहुत अच्छे हैं। हम सबको तो बड़े प्यार से मिलते हैं। हम जब भी जाते हैं, जब भी मैसेज करते हैं कि हमें हमारे कौमी कन्वीनर को मिलना है, तो बहुत अच्छे ढंग से वो मुलाकात करवाते हैं। ऐसी कोई बात मुझे लगती नहीं। मुझे लगता है ये कोई ना कोई षड्यंत्र ना हो, पर लेकिन मैं समझता हूँ अभी जांच जो है मिडिल स्टेज पे है। सो मैं समझता हूँ कि बिभव जी बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं।
बिभव जी बहुत अच्छे इंसान है क्योंकि वो हमसे मिलते हैं. So based on the fact that he arranges a few meetings of these leaders with Arvind Kejriwal, a clean sheet coming in. Nobody waiting for the investigation really, and despite the details that have come to fore through the FIR, the sympathies already seem to be with Bibhav Kumar of some of the AAP leaders at least. Others so far have not said anything about this. Sanjay Singh first admitted, acknowledged, condemned, said strict action will be taken, and then he along with Arvind Kejriwal were seen roaming around with Bibhav Kumar in Lucknow. Today they are in Punjab. Arvind Kejriwal is campaigning in Punjab, is addressing people, not a single word on Swati Maliwal. We have Pranesh joining us from the newsroom, and clean sheets have started coming. Sympathies with Bibhav Kumar of some.
You know, Swati, can there be an act which can be more shameful? I don't know, I can't imagine. And maybe this AAP Mantri is picking up cues from Arvind Kejriwal's behavior, because if the Chief Minister and your party supremo is roaming around with an alleged assaulter like Bibhav Kumar, what do? You have no other option but to give him a clean sheet and to sing praises about him. I have Ankit here. And the moment we were alerted about this comment by our colleague Rahul Rajans, we were shocked. And we wasted no time in playing this out. And, you know, I can only imagine what our viewers must be going through when they are seeing this broadcast and this kind of commentary on Bibhav Kumar. Ankit?
You know, absolutely, Pranesh, what you said is totally right. It is Arvind Kejriwal who is giving the cue. Remember, on May 13th, when this had happened, 3 hours after that, Arvind Kejriwal had indeed spoken. He had gone to the AAP headquarters and he had given a almost 20-minute speech. And in that speech, he pretended like it was business as usual. And that is exactly what we saw today. Except that what has happened between then and now, Swati Maliwal has gone and filed an FIR. Gory details have come out regarding the assault she suffered. And how barbaric is it? Bibhav Kumar came, slapped her 7 to 8 times. He dragged her. He says, she says he deliberately pulled her shirt. She screamed. He made her hit her head on the table. He then, while she was down, kicked her on her chest, on her abdomen, on her pelvis. She told him she was on her period. He did not stop. She was in unbearable pain. She screamed. No one else came. Despite this, Arvind Kejriwal absolutely silent. We heard him speak about Bharat Mata, but forgetting Bharat Ki Beti. We heard him speaking about 13 seats in Punjab, but forgetting 13th May. It is intolerable that Arvind Kejriwal is continuing to keep silent on this matter, and now his ministers are giving cover fire and calling Bibhav Acha Admi.
And this silence is an endorsement. This only emboldens this kind of mindset, because forget taking action against Bibhav Kumar. This Mantri should be sacked. This man, Mr. Cheema, does not deserve to be a minister, because what will happen in the court of law, that is for the judges to decide. But on the face of the facts which are before us and the gory details in the FIR, how can you clinch it? The Swati Maliwal's alleged assaulter Bibhav Kumar, there is not a shred of concern in the Aam Aadmi Party about the actual Aam Aadmi.
Absolutely no concern. In fact, clarification and clean sheets coming in. We have Advaita Kala on the broadcast with us. Advaita Kala, the Chief Minister, has not broken her silence at all. And we also have Brinda Adige on the broadcast. So let me go across to Brinda Adige. Brinda Adige, nothing, not a single word on what happened with Swati Maliwal. Arvind Kejriwal continues to campaign. Meanwhile, What's even more shocking is that there are some in the Aam Aadmi Party who feel kyunki हमारी मीटिंग अरेंज करा दी, विभव तो अच्छा आदमी है.